I love you, Roadies.
You're trying to make some tougher things in this.
See, it's our job to make every year more rocking than the previous one. Our competition, if you see, Roadies is the longest running reality show, and it's also the only reality show that grows in popularity and ratings year on year. That we don't really have competition in India. We don't. In fact, we've started exporting our show. Roadies has been bought by Pakistan. Our only competition is Roadies last year. We have to better that. You know, if we don't, because people have some expectation, and then their expectation is that we'll do something better. We'll give them something unexpected. If we don't do it, they'll stop liking it. They'll stop watching it. So our job is to make every year bigger, better, tougher, and we're doing that with this year also. We're going to Australia. In fact, the whole toughness starts on the auditions only because this time I've got my twin brother, Rajiv. That's going to be funny. That's going to be fun.
Any particular reason?
बहुत reason है. देखो, last few years people have been watching Nikhil and me. They have a plan. They've kind of started observing a pattern in our behavior. So they have a plan as to how to, impress us or crack the auditions, which is not good for us. We need for them to be not prepared. So you change the audition panel, interview panel, and then people's plans are not so good. And if you change it with somebody like Rajiv, who's my twin brother, it's quite interesting because there are lots of myths about twins, and it can tend to freak some people out also, that arey do aa gaya types. So that should be fun.
Raghu is the rudest man on television. What do you think about this? Is it right from your point of view?
No. I don't think I'm rude. I think I'm direct. People who call me rude, people can call me anything. It's up to them. Being rude on television is nothing to be proud of, and it's nothing to be ashamed of either. This is who I am, and I'm not apologetic about it.
Raghu is a clubbing addict?
No. I know there's a lot of stuff being written about it. The fact is that I don't eat outside my house. And I have a select group of friends. Whenever I have to socialize, I socialize with them at home. I'm not a clubbing addict. Last night I had to go to a couple of clubs, but that's a marketing commitment. I'm supposed to go to those clubs and show my face.
During the earlier days, it is a fact that your head from MTV head, he started criticizing this MTV Roadies.
Who started criticizing it?
It is something is written on the website.
People can write what they want, yeah. It's not my problem. I don't give a shit. It's not my job to please everybody. I'm here to make a show and I'm doing that. If you have an opinion, you want to write about it, you want to scream about it, it's your job. It's your problem.
कितना changes देख रहे हो आप? Roadies first and MTV Roadies start going to be sex.
बहुत ज़्यादा यार. I mean, ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. I mean, everybody in the country knows us. Most of the kids of a certain age want to be roadies. Everybody watches us. They not only watch us, but they interact with us in a very personal level. They react to the show. People will love it, people will hate it, they will love some roadies, they will hate some roadies. It has a very emotional impact on the viewers, which they don't get from other shows,
So earlier it was 13 participants, now we have changed to 20.
Yeah, the format has changed. The format has changed yet again. In fact, Roadies 1 and 2 had a certain format, 3, 4, 5 had a certain format. Now we've changed it again. That's because people have started expecting some stuff. Even the roadies, when they come, they'll be shocked. This format will be very different from what they're expecting. That means that whatever they're planning, they can come out there and know that, okay, in 1 hour they will know that there is no plan.
You have a new concept with a cheat code DVD.
Yeah.
It will be what actually it is?
The Roadies audition cheat code DVD is something that MTV has put out. Anybody who wants to audition can buy the DVD, watch it, and try and figure out what are the mistakes that people make and learn from it, and not make those mistakes. Now the tips that are there are very usable, very practical. Something how to fill your form, how to interact, how to behave in your GD. When you go to the interview, what are the classic mistakes that people make? Don't do those, Don't get rough with the crew because that will kill your chances. Stuff like that. Now these are things that people have been doing for years. The same mistakes. I'm hoping that people will watch this DVD and not make the same mistakes, so we can go on to the next level of interaction.
So, to whom give you credit for this MTV All Roadies audition and the success of MTV Roadies?
Because
it's being for the consecutive 3 years, it was rated as a highest rated.
The credit for the success of Roadies goes to MTV. It's not a one-man show at all. Okay, I'm now the face of it. Okay, but behind me is a huge team: the marketing team, the production team, the ad sales team, the technical crew, the producers team. everybody, the entire MTV comes together for this project, and that is why it's such a big success.
I'm talking about Pakistan, but like अभी MTV रोडी पाकिस्तान के साथ कुछ है like मतलब so any suggestions to the audience and the participants
About what?
about the participation in this MTV roadie for the future time or for this time, how they can prepare themselves for
I
auditions?
don't think that wanting to be a roadie is good enough to be a roadie. You shouldn't say that, okay, I'm looking to do something with my life, that's why I've come to roadies and stuff like that. Try and develop yourself. A lot of people have started developing themselves, improving themselves to become roadies. Improving yourself is good, but if it's to become a roadie, it's not good enough. Just everybody should try and improve themselves in any way they can. And if they happen to fit into roadies in that process, great. That'll be
Last
fun.
question. According to you, what actually is the criteria to be a MTV roadie?
You have to have an open mind and an adventurous heart.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thanks a lot.